struggle to pinpoint the location of a server error when it occurs. When server error happens, it can disrupt the operations and cause significant challenges. Good news for you! With PATLITE Ethernet Compatible Signal Tower NHV series, troubleshooting becomes easy. It can monitor up to 24 IP addresses and promptly notify you of any errors with both light and sound. Additionally, it can send email notification when error occurs, allowing you to instantly identify which device connections has issues and respond quickly. These features helps to reduce the production stoppage and quality degradations due to the server error.
There is a network connection error with server 1.
Abnormalities were eradicated.
If you are interested, please contact with PATLITE. We can visit your factory and provide demonstration. Please feel free to reach out to us.